everybody, it's Miss Emily at the Brentwood Public Library again, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make an origami dog this time. So I have this one, I drew a little face on him, he's super cute, but I'm going to make a new one for you guys. And if you don't have origami paper at home, which I know I had to get this from the library, most people don't have that hanging out, you can just make a right triangle on this side, so you make sure that this edge is flat, and that would be your square piece, and you just have to cut off this extra edge, and then you would have a big square to make your dog with. Okay, but since I already have a square, I'm gonna start now. So the first thing we want to do is make a rectangle this way, and then we're gonna open it up and make another rectangle this way. So we've got like a cross when you open it up. And now we're gonna take each of these four corners and fold them into the middle. Like this. Got 1, 2, and these are never exact on mine. Like, I always have some sort of mistake, and it's fine. My dog didn't come out bad, so try not to worry about it too much. 3, and last one, 4. Okay, so now we've got all 4 of them. I usually try to take my worst shaped ones, but these ones all came out pretty even. And we're gonna take opposite ones. So I'm gonna do these 2. One of them, I'm gonna take this inner triangle and I'm gonna point it out. This is gonna end up being the dog's tail. So you want it to stick out a bit, and we crease it. So this part that's over here is gonna be the dog's tail. And then we're gonna take this one, and this is going to be the dog's head. We're going to take the point and put it to the crease right here, as even as possible, and then fold it back again. So you got this one folded into the crease, and then we're covering it up, and this one is folded out. And now we're going to close it up, so fold it in half like this. Make it as creased as possible. Okay, so now if you've got your tail on one side, you're gonna, first we have to open it up. I almost forgot that part. So we're gonna open it up like it's an envelope, and you've got your tail over here. You're gonna take the opposite corner and fold it up so that this part is straight. So there we go. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Open it up like an envelope and make sure it's the opposite corner of the tail and fold it up. So then we take this extra flap that we had and we fold them down. So now it almost looks like a dog, but his nose is a little bit weird. So you're just gonna kind of pop it out. And there you go. You've got your own little dog, and you can draw on him if you want to and give him a nice little face. So there you go. If you make one, don't forget to tag us on Instagram and let us see your dogs that you make, okay? See you next time. Bye.